All right, so what do we got today? Hopefully we got enough light is what we have, but a really badass 69 Pontiac LeMans. Is that a 9? That's an 8 or 9, I don't remember. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Wagon, it's LeMans wagon. Oh. So this car was actually restored back in the 80s, early 90s. Was kind of a show car at one time. Then someone decided to redo it. What you're looking at on the roof is where they were bondoing in the roof rack. They wanted the slick roof. They didn't want the roof rack. So there's some bondo there. You know, it's got some body issues, but still a nice solid Arizona car. Oh, check out that plane. Hang on. Where you guys going? Okay. No more of that. Hang on. Bye! Into those awesome clouds. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's cool. This RV, remember that thing? Okay, so back to this. 69 wagon, did some restoration, started again. It is a double swing tailgate, so it swings both ways, if you know what I mean. So it's a swinging car, but it's good. This has some rust there from over the years. Look, it's a project. How many of these cars even exist anymore? The cool thing about this car is it does run. I had it running the other day and I moved it, but then something happened with the wiring and it won't start anymore with the ignition key. So I can't get it to crank. So I'm not really sure what's going on. But I am working on it. I can't promise you it's going to start when I go to ship it, but I'm hoping we can have it running by at least where you can drive it onto a car hauler. So that's what we're aiming for. Show you under the hood here. It's pretty badass. Someone installed that luxury seating out of who knows what. Hey, but it is power. Sweet. Steering wheel, dash, rah rah rah. Needs restoration, la la la. Yes, it does. Restore it any way you want. Look at that. It looks like it used to be a hearse. It's a freaking funeral car or something. But anywho, like there's no rust in the cool spots. People always try to find rust. There's no rust on the bottoms of the doors. Still a very solid vehicle. One thing I will say, this car is not going to come on these Trans Am wheels. If you want them, they're gold Trans Am wheels with Michelin tires. And I will sell them to you extra. If you don't want them, I'm just going to put on some steel wheels with rollers, okay? So you got that. So let's see, let's pop the hood. Yeah, we know that line. Really nice motor actually. Factory air condition, not all there, but most of it's still there. I believe it's a 400. Can't say for sure. I'm not sure really how to tell on these. But it sounds great. It runs smooth. I believe the engine and training have all been done. And they were going to do the body and paint and obviously everything else last. So probably the least year worries on this motor, to be honest with you. And it's kind of nice. I think the grills are in good shape. I know a lot of people would probably turn this to a GTO. There's nothing wrong with that. So hopefully I get this wiring fixed in the next couple days. And I can start it with at least one way or another with a key or whatever. I want to check the headlights real quick. I know they all work, but you know. It's getting cold, man. Holy crap. It's Tucson. What happened? 74 yesterday. Today is a high of like 55. Okay, yeah, groovy. Hope you like Pink Floyd, because that's what we're listening to today. They had a bunch of carpet back here. I think most of that's glue? Yeah, that's glue. Not in really bad shape. I cannot get that open though, because I can't get the tailgate out of the way enough to open it up, but I do have pictures of what it looks inside it. What was I looking at back here? Duh, I forgot. Oh, see if the lights work. Okay, so, alright. Looks like the wiring's pretty decent. License plate light working? I don't know, okay. So, there's one more rescue. So, there you go, man. Pontiac LeMans wagon. Mostly an Arizona gem. I got pictures of it. When I put it in the auction underneath it, you'll see the floors and everything. They actually don't look too bad. I'll show you real quick or something right now. Can you see? No, of course not. Too dark. So, the pictures came out better. And I think that's it for today's video. Pontiac wagon, driving hopefully soon. There's our cool RV. There's our Dodges Coronet and our Matador, 60 Matador, 57 Coronet coming up pretty soon. And way back there is a 68 Bonneville 2-door coming up, 404 barrel. I think it was originally green or gold with a black interior. Not currently running, no. But anyway, good body and stuff. Okay, enough said. I'm done. It's freezing. Holy cow, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for watching. Check out the nice storm coming in or leaving, whatever to do. And we'll see you on the next one, right? As they say. Thanks for watching.